how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today I'm super excited because we are opening up one of my favorite subscription boxes, Globin. So in today's video I'll tell you a little bit about Globin, share my promo code, and we will do an unboxing. So just really quick, I want to take a moment to say hi to all of you and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I do subscription box unboxings pretty much every single day here in our channel. So if you love unboxing, subscription boxes, beauty, skincare, all of that, I would absolutely love it if you joined and subscribed. But now let's get back to Globin. So I've been opening up Globin for a while now and I absolutely love it. Every month Globin comes out with a new curated box, but you also have an option to pick from their old boxes, and I realized I've opened up almost all of their boxes, so I'm going to leave my Globin playlist down below if you guys are interested in subscribing. So Globin, like I said, there's a theme, curated theme each box, and you get to pick, or it could be a surprise. And all the items inside come from artisans throughout the world, and it helps provide fair wages for these very talented, amazing people. So I absolutely love supporting Globin. It is $40 a month and then you pay for shipping. I do have a promo code that will save you 50% on your first box. So if you want to subscribe, definitely use that promo code in the link down below. So today we're opening up the Appreciate box and I am super excited. So let me grab my scissors and let's get started. So everything is wrapped up nice and securely and there is a card on top that kind of gives you a sneak peek. So I love these little pamphlets they give you. So there's a little intro. It says, "Dear Mavens, whether it be your closest friends, your hardest working colleagues, your child's teacher, or a remote artisan in a village across the globe, we all need a little thank you now and then. And so I present to you my idea of the perfect gift, an all-around ethical grab-and-go solution for caring for your loved ones and the world. This collection of hand-painted," oh, and then it goes on to the items inside. So this box is meant to show appreciation, you know, to yourself, a little self-love, or to someone else. And then the other pages, they talk about the items as well as the artisans who made them, and they tell you what part of the world it came from. I just love reading about that and knowing where my items are from. How about we start with this item? So everything is always wrapped so securely. There's bubble wrap and then paper as well. This is so beautiful, you guys. Look at this. The handle and everything. I have one similar to this, like the same style from Globin. My house is actually full of Globin items. I bet most of you aren't surprised by that. But this is the hand-painted Rania mug, and this was handmade in Morocco. And you can see one of the artisans of these mugs here. So if you're curious, the measurements of this mug are 6 by 4 by 5 inches, and it's made from stoneware ceramic. And it says, the creator behind the Rania mug is one of our very favorite and talented artisans, Abdelslam. Abdelslam was born in the Meknes region of Morocco, but currently resides in Marrakesh, where he and his artisan group produce ceramics. He is well respected in the artisan community for his eye-catching ceramics with amazing quality. He was self-taught and his passion for pottery is apparent in his work. On top of his work as an artisan, he is a proud father and brother. He taught his two brothers the craft after his father passed on and was able to sustain their family business. He's very hands-on and passionate about his work, and so much so that he has taught every single person working in his workshop himself. His workers are more like a family and they look up to him as a father and inspiration. This group of artisans led by Abdelslam, and I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, developed this specifically with Globin in order to bring their amazing work to the world stage. We hope you enjoy his careful craft. I love this. And it says, suggested use, get creative with your hot drinks. Try steamed milk with honey or hot cocoa with cinnamon. And the rest of the items, I believe, are in this little basket here. I have several of these and I really love them. So let's start with that and then we'll get to what is inside. So here is the page that talks about it. So the hand-woven palm leaf basket, it was handmade in Mexico, and it was made by Cecilia, and her picture is on here as well. Yeah. And it says, we'd like to welcome Cecilia Hernandez Santiago, 22 years old, to our palm weaving team in San Cristobal, Amtlan, Mexico, a tiny village about 4-hour drive from Oaxaca, Mexico. Again, I'm so sorry if I mispronounce things, you guys. So this is 6 by 5 inches tall. It's made from palm leaf and it is water resistant. And yeah, these are great. You can use these for so many different purposes. I was thinking maybe I could even use some of these as like planters to kind of like hide like a less attractive pot. And I use them, like one of them I have in my bathroom. I like store like tampons and stuff in it. I have one like in my cupboard to store, like I think there's some tea in it. So yeah, these are so versatile on how you could use them. And they say suggested use as storage in any room, or you can use it as gift wrap. That's a great idea as well. So it talks more on here about making these, but I thought I would just share my experience with them. So there's a top here. And then let's get into what else is remaining. Oh, there's some hot cocoa actually. So this goes or pairs really well with the mug we received. And this is by Sweet Justice, great cocoa making the world a better place, organic and fair trade. You guys, I think there's 2 items missing from my box, unfortunately. But let's talk about this hot cocoa and I'll tell you what's missing. So this was handmade in the Dominican Republic. And it says on here, Dean's Beans Organic Coffee Company has been dedicated to working with small-scale cocoa farmers for over 2 decades. The company has been partnering with Conectado, a fair trade foundation supporting farmers in the Dominican Republic since 2003. And Dean's Beans is proud to introduce U.S. consumers to the highest quality cocoa made ethically by farmers outside the United States. The successful and sustained fair trade relationship started with direct development projects focused on capacity building and school building improvements. Please enjoy this delectable 100% organic and fair trade hot cocoa from our farmer friends in the Dominican Republic. And you can see the workers there. But I'm making sure I didn't miss anything when I was unboxing. Oh man. Yeah, the items I was the most excited about are missing, unfortunately, but I know from experience they do have great customer service, and this never really happened. So again, check out my playlist so you could see my past unboxing. But we were also supposed to receive this bracelet here. And this is the brass Safi cuff. This was made in India. And isn't that so beautiful? So if you get this box, this will come in it. And I'm sure this was just like a packaging mistake. First I thought maybe I like opened it and like threw it on the ground or something. But the other item I really was looking forward to receiving was this beautiful frame here. And this frame is the upcycled mini bone frame, and this is handmade in India. What? It's made from bone, that's crazy. And then you can see the man who made it there. But isn't that really pretty? And in the front you could see all of the items together. So that's definitely a bummer. I'm missing some items, but I'll let them know. And again, check out Globin. If you're interested in subscribing, you can save 50%. So you get beautiful items for your home to enjoy. They have so many different types of boxes. I know I keep saying this, but check out my playlist down below if you've missed my past unboxings. And your purchases help support fair trade and give a better life to these artisans that create these beautiful products. So it always makes me feel really good opening this, even if I'm missing some items. But again, I'll let them know and I can update you guys on my experience. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.